source. Okay. Okay, it's slightly the idea to move the smallest to swap the smaller key, okay, with the what I call with the a smaller key with the unsorted list lah. Okay, so that means after that the unsorted list will become less and less and less until it reach to the end. So it keeps swapping. Okay. So because it's swap, so this is we call it sort selection sort. Selection sort. For insertion sort, okay, we select the first of the top of the value unsorted, and then search the position search the place that can insert into the sorted list. Okay, you find, for example, you find the 2 3 is in unsorted list. You find 2 3, and then you search. Okay, which position that the 2 3 can insert into in the sorted list. So you will find in between 18 and 25, then it go to insert. So the 25 and 30 will go move downward until the unsorted list reach to the end point. Okay. So I will demo you the selection first. Hari itu demo salah kan? Okay, it's too complicated. Sampai saya pun tak faham apa benda. Okay, it's okay. Kita learn sama-sama. Mana? Not that. Okay. We create new project 13. Okay. New project 13. Start with new project. Yes. Okay, we choose a folder. New folder. We rename it to project 13. Macam Apollo 13 lah, okay? Project 13. Okay, we start with blank. Okay, now we start the we start copy the previous code. Okay, mana previous code? Kita punya previous code di mana? C data structure 11. Okay. Yes, the previous project. Okay. Then we try to run it. Main. Okay. And then we test it. Okay, no problem. Okay, we list 3. Panjang pula. Okay, it's okay. Panjang. So we try to rearrange the okay. Remember, we try to initialize the value by this. We don't want this one. Okay, kita mau ini. Okay. So we run it. Okay, we try to show the initial value 3. So this is the value. Okay, this is the value. But we don't want to list like this. Okay, it takes a lot of space. Okay, we try to change it to show look like look like we try to change the list look like kari ayam. Okay. Sekarang ialah kambing. We don't want kambing. Sekarang we want to make it look like display, okay, kari ayam. Okay. Kita tukar dia kari ayam. Okay, put like this. Okay. Come on. List. Okay. So kita kasih compile. Now it look like kari ayam. Let's say tengok kita punya kari ayam. Okay. 16. So you can see the list 16, 32, 5. 5 is not in sorted list lah. Kita mau kasih dia sort. Okay, first we use a binary search. Binary sort. Okay, we create a menu, call it binary sort. Okay, kita pakai satu binary sort. We use option 6 lah. We use option 6. Use option 6, option 6, option 6, option 6. Okay, we use option selection sort. Okay. Okay, we use option 6. Okay. So we copy option 6. Yeah. Ya. Alah. Kita tekan apa? S6. Okay. We put selection sort. Of course, we need to create a function. Okay, to create a function. How to create a function? Here, we do it like this. What selection sort. Okay. Then we try run. So we got selection sort. Okay, when you press 6, nothing happened. Selection sort because kita belum lagi buat the algorithm. Okay. So now we try to do the selection sort. Okay. Very complicated. Okay. First, we need a help. We need a help of current. because we do a looping. And then we need a help of previous means always point to the nodes, okay, before the current. Okay, in other words, pre ini selalu di belakang ke. Okay, depan ialah ini ialah current pointing, and then the pre is one node. Okay, one node lah before current. Okay, but initial kita kasih sama because belum lagi looping. Okay, okay. So next, siapa message? Who message? Okay, next is we want to do a looping. Then remember the curve. Okay, we have unsorted list. Okay, unsorted list. So you see the sorted list will keep decrease until it reach to end of the nodes. Okay, so we need to have one unsorted list. Okay, unsorted list. Okay, unsorted list. Mana ni? Okay, so initial we point to the head, not your head, but this head. Okay, the head is the list, the linked list. Okay. Next, we need a pre-unsorted list also to help us. Okay, pre means always point to the nodes before the unsorted list. Dia punya belakang, ini depan. Ini depan. Okay? Ini depan. Okay. Next is, let's say if we found the smallest key. Yeah. Okay. The smallest key. Okay. This used to point the smaller key, but we also need a pre. Why? Pre the node before the smaller key. We used to remove used to remove the nodes, the smaller key nodes. Okay, smaller key nodes from the list. Okay, so ada banyak pre. Okay. Next is we need to keep the value smaller key for comparison. Yang ini for comparison. Because if you get the smaller key is 7, so we keep compare lah from this node to compare the smaller. Once we found a smaller, then we change the value, the smaller key to 5, for example. Okay, so we need to keep it for comparison purpose. Okay. Next, we need a function, a variable found. Found means if we found the smaller key, then we proceed to the swap. Okay, we proceed to the swap. Okay, we proceed to the swap. Okay. Okay, next. Next sama. Apa next? Oh no. Okay, now next we try to. Okay. Next, Next. And next. Okay. Next is next is we try. Okay, when the unsorted list reach to the end. Mana? Unsorted list reach to the end. Sebab dia akan kurang kan? Keep down until it reach the end. When it is the end means your sorting process completed. Okay, finish. Okay, we need to stop. Kalau dia belum sampai the end, kita mau stop. It keep looping. Okay, so because the code is too long, you put a remark here. Okay, remark here. That means this start point is end with this point. Okay, supaya senang ingat. Kalau tidak dia terlalu panjang, nanti kita sesat. Okay. Okay. Next, we need to initial the found. Okay, initial the found for starting is not found. Okay, it's not found. For starting, it's not found. Okay, belum jumpa apa-apa. Okay, so of course you need to put this tengah-tengah. The next step. Then, okay, for starting loop, the first loop, okay, we copy the key, the first key. Kita nak buat comparison kan? So we copy the first key as a reference. Okay, later we compare lah. Ini lebih besar gak? Ini lebih kecil? Bukan. Ini lebih kecil? Bukan. Ini lebih kecil. Okay, ini. The small key will change to 7. Okay, so starting we need to have a starting point. Initial key. Okay. Okay, means mana tu ah? Initial the key for comparison. Paham nggak? Okay. Next is, okay, we try to try something lah. Okay, start key. Okay, initial key for comparison. Okay, we put initial key. Initial key. Okay, kita print tengok macam mana. Next is, okay, now we want to start the looping. To search the smaller key in the unsorted list. Okay, search smallest ya kah? Key in unsorted list. Okay. Okay, first we need to initial the current. Okay, current means the current starting to search. We use cur assigned to the unsorted list. Depan lah, the first the first node of the unsorted list. Then we start searching. We start searching. Okay, we start searching. Okay, we start searching. And when we start searching, then we start searching. We keep looping, start searching the smaller one. Okay, once we found the smaller one, okay, let's say we found the smaller one key. Okay, we found the smaller one key. We found a smaller one. Ini paling small. We found a small one. Then we keep this pointer. We're using another pointer to point to this one. Okay, call a smaller key point node. Okay, node. Kan node kan? Betul. Ini spelling pun salah. Okay, we point to this one. Okay, smaller node, we point. Okay, we keep this. Okay, we keep this. And then we assign the pre always behind the smaller key node. Ini di belakang dia. Okay, always di belakang dia. Okay, if we not found, we keep looping. Okay, you see this curve will keep forward. One node by one node until it reach the end of the node. The nodes. Okay, but because we found this one, if we found the smaller, okay, if we found the smaller, we keep. Then we search again until end whether is there any smallest key. Okay, one we found, okay, maybe it found 2 times. For example, they keep searching, cari, ini smaller, tapi ada lagi 5. Dia cari, smaller. They keep looping lah until actually end up they will get this one. It's not this one. Okay, it will get this one. Okay, they keep looping sampai dia pening. Okay, dapat. Komputer tidak akan pening. Okay, so next, okay, with one we found, one after this searching result, okay, we try to print out lah. Kita kasih print out. Apa dia punya smaller key? Found smaller key. Okay, found smaller keys. Okay, kita tak boleh loop nanti dia infinite. Okay, next is, okay, now let's say we sudah found, then we need to do the swap lah. Kita mau swap sudah, buat shopping, swapping. We found this one, then we want to swap. Okay, because the unsorted list first node is here, mean we swap with the first node. Okay, next we swap with the first node. Okay, always found the thing, swap to the first node. Okay, so we only proceed when we found the smaller nodes. Okay, so we put a condition if found equal to true, terjumpa sudah. Jumpa girlfriend. Okay, ya kan, jumpa girlfriend ya. Okay, so if you want to make it easy, we put a mark here. so that easy for us to apalah, check lah. Okay, that means this is end of this. Okay, end of this. I mean this is end of this one from here. Ini from here. Okay, just remark. Because if the code is too long, then we had to find the end, and then it's easy to get a mistake lah. Okay. Next is okay. Next is they have few condition. They have few condition. Okay, they have few condition means one condition it means let's say the unsorted list is on top. It's on top of the. It's not. It's on top. It's a full list. The first step is a full list. So we cannot use any insert method. We need to use different insert method to insert the node, to swap the node in between. Okay? In between. So we handle the first condition is when the first node, when the unsorted list is full list. So we need to use a different condition, a different method, okay, to insert the nodes, to swap the node. Okay. So we found the pre-sorted list means it's beginning. Okay, it's same as the unsorted list means this is the first step lah. Okay, so we use different condition. We use different method to swap the nodes. Okay, to swap the nodes. Okay, to swap the node. Okay, else we use another condition when the state is already it's not a full list lah. Okay, they have three conditions. One, the node is full list unsorted, and the second condition is the unsorted list is half list, and the unsorted list is end list. Okay, they got three conditions. Okay, so next, now we start with the first node. Okay, next, because of the first node, okay, we do first swap. Okay, we remark it's first swap. First swap. Now we deattach. If we found the smaller, we need to do the deattach. Okay, detach the smaller node. Deattach the smaller node. How deattach? Okay, you're using pre-key node link assigned to value small key nodes. That means now the small key node is free now, out of the list. Okay, ya sudah kasih buang macam ini. Okay, let's say you found this small node, so this node is take out, and then node 4,5 now point to node 5,5. Ya kan? Deattach. Okay, deattach. Ya kan? Betul kan? Okay, next is pre-sort node. Pre-sort node. We also deattach. We also deattach. We also deattach the. We deattach this one. We also deattach the first node of unsorted list. Okay, kita kasih buang keluar ya. We deattach the first node. We attach the first node of unsorted list. Okay. Okay, we kasih remove, deattach. Okay. Okay, now we kasih sambung kepala dia. Jadi kita sudah kasih cabut kepala dia. The keynote kepala sudah cabut from the list. Okay, and then the first node of the unsorted list we also deattach, sudah cabut kepala dia. Kita pancung dia. Okay. So now we kasih swap. Kita kasih swap. How to swap? Okay. Next is we swap the with attach. We attach the small key node, smallest key node to first to front and sorted list. Okay. So we use ini. Okay, kita kasih using pre. Okay, dan kita kasih sambung kepala dia. Okay, selesai. Okay, selesai. Selesai kan? Belum lagi. Next, we have another condition. Ya, salah pula. Sorry. It's not here. First note, swap note. Salah. Oh, sorry, salah. Okay, sorry. Okay, first, sorry ya. Silap. We deattach the smaller keynote, okay, from the list. Deattach. Then we insert smaller keynote to front of unsorted list. Okay. Okay, kita kasih deattach the list. Then we try to move the previous first node of unsorted list to the pre-key node. Kita kasih swap dia. Okay, ini. Stop. Move the previous first node to the smaller to the next smaller node. Okay. Kita move. Okay. One we move. After we move. Okay, after we move, okay, we move the unsorted list point to next node. Okay, kita kasih turun dia. Okay, dari sini kita kasih turun dia satu. Now the unsorted node first starting from the second nodes. Okay, from second nodes. Okay, so of course because of this is the first action, the first condition. Then we change the pre-unsorted nodes to head. Okay, to head. That means sorted nodes point to here, unsorted node list point to here, pre-unsorted node point to here. Okay. Selesai sudah. Okay. Okay. Next is because this is for the first step. Now we go to the, let's say now, if the condition is in second condition, means the unsorted node starting from the second and onward. Okay, we come out another condition. Let's say we found the keynote. We found a small keynote. Wah, atau satu kamu semua sudah bingung. Okay. Sudah bingung nggak? Siapa ada letih bingung? Okay. So we deattach the first node. Then we also deattach the first node of unsorted list. Okay. Okay, now we try to link the nodes. Okay, to link the nodes, to link the smaller nodes to the first node of unsorted list using pre. Okay, using pre. Apa nih, terkejut nih? Okay. Okay. Siapa punya bunyi boleh kasih downsize. Excuse me. Halo. Ya kasih. Okay. So now, sampai mana sudah? Okay, no. Now is what? Now we check the condition again. We check the condition again. Let's say if we found If we found the condition unsorted list pre keynote. Okay, let's say if we found the condition, let's say your sorted list here, if we found the condition, the 2, 4 is smallest in the unsorted list, for example. Okay, we don't need to do swap. We just move the unsorted list forward 1 node. Okay, forward 1 node. Okay, found the condition that the first node of unsorted list is the smaller node. Okay, okay. So we just move 1 next to unsorted list. Okay, yeah, pre. Okay. Okay, next. Next one. Oh ya, so next what? Found. Ini sudah ada. Bab kembang boleh nggak? Ah ya. Ah ya. Ah ya. Ah ya. Okay, boleh. Compile already. Okay, now we Okay. Okay, if not found. Okay, if not found means the sorted list is the last one. Okay. So we continue to move forward the unsorted list to next nodes. Okay. Okay, now we try to do some display lah. Okay, to do some display. Okay, so now we try to test run. Dun dun dun, 6. Okay, now you can see. Okay, you see, initial is 5 1. Okay, kita bikin lagi ya. Kita display ini dulu. The first list. Six. Okay, kita tengok. First, beginning lah, starting 1630. So we found the smaller one, 5. Then we move. We use a 16 to compare. Okay, we found the smaller one, 5, and then we swap 5 and 16. Okay, next, so the sorted list is now first node point to the 30. Okay, starting 30. So we found the 7. Then we swap 7 and 30. We swap. Okay, now next we initiate the sorted list is 24. Okay, so we found a 16. Then we swap this one and this one. Then become 16, 14, and so on until it get all sorted. Okay, sorted. Okay. Any question? Any question? Any question? Testing. 1, 2, 3. Any question? No question. Okay. Now we continue to. Siapa belum makan lagi? Kita give me 20 minutes more. Okay. We continue to do the insertion sort. Okay, remember insertion sort is what? Insertion sort is very simple. We just get first node of unsorted and then compare to the sorted list, insert in between. Okay, but insert in between. Then the unsorted list will move downward until it reach the end of the nodes. Okay, we take one, we find in the sorted list mana satu tempat dia boleh fit in, then we fit in. Okay, then the unsorted list will move forward downward. Okay, we'll move forward. Okay. Okay, now we create unsorted list. Insertion list. Okay, we go fast. Super express. Okay. Okay. So we copy this section. Section. Okay. So we try to create a new function. Okay, we try. Run it first. Okay, sorry, 7. Okay. Okay, insertion. Cantik. Belum lagi siap. Okay. So we continue to create a insertion algorithm. Okay. Okay. First, mana sudah? Where's my code? Same thing. We need a cur and pre-cur for looping. Okay. And then we need a we need a sorted unsorted list. Maybe we can optimize it. Okay. So we need a pre also, same thing. Pre also, pre-key nodes. Okay. Key node. Okay. And then we also need a function found. Okay, if we found and then we do a insertion. So and then we need a variable to keep the smaller key for comparison. Okay, now we use the same method, unsorted list. Okay. So we mark it this one, so that easy for us to okay. So initial, the found is false. Okay, initial, the smaller key, we get the first one because we assume the unsorted list is on top. Okay, starting from on top means semua tidak sort. Okay, the unsorted list is on top. Okay. So we initialize the okay. We initialize the pre-key for looping to sorry, one loop saja. Okay. Okay. And of course we get the okay, we get the smaller key, not smaller key, comparison key. Okay, from the first nodes of unsorted list, always the first one. Okay, and then we do a looping. We do a looping. Okay, sorted list. Okay, we have a condition here. The first condition is the unsorted list is full of list lah. First condition, First condition. So we have this one, first full condition. If the full condition is in is full list, mean we use different method lah. Okay. Okay. So we come out another condition. Let's say it's full list, and then we do insert always. Okay. If the condition is full list, means let's say if the first node of unsorted list is not the smaller one, okay, we do a searching lah. If the smaller one, we skip the searching. We keep we skip the moving. Okay, so we moving to top. Okay. Moving to top. We found the smaller key, we move to top of the unsorted list. When the unsorted list is full, okay. Okay, of course, because it's full, then we need to repoint the head to this lah. Okay, you know, my letter we can okay. Else, let's say now if the sorted list is not in full condition, it's normal condition. Okay, so we it's not in full condition. Okay. Okay. When the first note, when the note is not in full condition, okay, if we found the smaller key notes is not the first note of the unsorted list, okay, then we do the searching. We do the searching. Okay. Ini smaller key note dari mana nih? Saya pun sesat. Jangan kau sesat. I also sesat. Okay. Key note. Okay, when this happen. Mana sudah satu note? Saya pun sesat. Okay. So it keeps searching the notes. Okay, it keeps searching the notes. Someone move to front. Okay. Okay, then we try to display the okay, let's go. Okay. Mari kita jalan. I agree. Okay, see how lucky we are. Oh ho. Stop, 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 stop. 90, 90. Display. Okay. 7. Ay, kita tukar. 16. 16. Oh no. Ya. Bagaimana? We found the key. We found the key. Oh, okay. Ya, macam mana? Something wrong. Free. Move to top. E. Hi. Any question? Kita sudah sesat. It's okay, gitu. Kita start over again. Why it never change? Okay, never mind. I fix you later. Okay, dismiss. Excuse me, dismiss. I fix you later. You all can quick. You all can quick.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, quick, quick, quick. I fix you later. That fix. You all can quick. Or someone young to see also can stay. It's up to you. Let me fix this first.
扫完，拍给我看。找字典拿来，字典，字典不会找。看到了。啊。哦，不是三。有一个哈。高德不止拿出来，高德不止。拿开一下。高德不止。開啦，之前係先買。电脑终于上线，关的市场的。拿高德不止。錯吧？ 给答案。公司前面的没有答案那个，好，溜你快点，我要死。快点，好。现在是做那个超市，快点。那个溜出很快的啦，没有写超，那个错了，还是这样管的那个。 写答案。超题目哦。全部抄完它，记得答案圈起来。现在。快点。快点做完，只要记完了哦，还有很多啊。 开始不很快了哦。你要画什么？要这样子画。